So this video is about bending frets and fret benders. Now, the one I have over there, I got plans online and I built that one. It bends them okay. And the one thing I hate about them is you always end up with about half an inch to an inch on both ends of your fret that doesn't get bent. Now, that's not really a problem when you're buying frets like this, you know. You can pretty much sacrifice a couple inches of this and still be able to fret your fretboard. I recently got some frets from Symptoms. They contacted me and they said they liked my videos and they wanted to know if I'd be interested in trying out their frets. So I got some frets. I got these are stainless steel. These are some special bronze. They're not quite as hard as stainless steel, but they're a lot harder than nickel silver, and these are nickel silver. And the issue I have is they're already pre-cut. There's 6 sections like this, okay? So if you use a fret bender and you have 3/4 of an inch to an inch on both ends that doesn't get bent by the machine, you're basically sacrificing 12 inches of fret because they cut it in 6. Now, it's not a big deal, you know, when you're using full-length frets like this. But when you get them like this, it's a pain in the ass, and you're not going to be able to finish your guitar. So, I'm not going to use these yet. I want to find a fret bender that bends the damn fret all the way to the end. If I can't find one, I'm going to fabricate one. Now, I'm subscribed to a lot of other channels, guys who build guitars, and they're subscribed to me as well. So I want to ask you guys, do you have this problem? Or have you found something that actually bends your fret all the way to the end? Because if you do, enlighten me, please. I will forever be beholding to you. Is that how I say it? Yeah. So, I got the gears turning, and if I can't buy one, then I'm gonna have to fabricate something. Now, even the one that StewMax sells for like 150 or 175 bucks doesn't bend the fret all the way to the end. And all the ones I've seen online don't bend the frets all the way to the end. When they demonstrate them, they show you how great they look, but they never show you the end. You gotta, like, you know, as they're moving with it, hit pause and then look, and you go, ha ha, it's not bent. So if you guys got any idea, or have you found something that works flawlessly and bends it all the way to the end, please let me know. Anyway, that's it for this one. I'm gonna get to work on trying to figure out how to produce something like this. Anyway, we'll see you guys later. Behave yourself. Peace.